Thank you for joining us on This Is Exclusive. I'm Niranjan at 6 p.m. Some who didn't want the Ram Mandir, very open about it, questioning the need for a Ram Mandir. And now another set of leaders questioning the Prime Minister, even mocking his fast senior leaders within the Congress party, some who've been union ministers before, saying that it's difficult to believe that the Prime Minister actually fasted for so many days. Take a listen at the Congress's latest attack.
ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪವಾಡ? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟು. ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಪವಿತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪವಾಡ? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟು. ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಪವಿತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ.
Live, Veerappa Moily, going by, of course, he's talking about hearsay. He says he met a doctor who says it's hard to believe that the Prime Minister actually fasted, and then says the temple becomes impure. He says the sanctum sanctorum becomes impure if someone who's gone inside without fasting. Of course, the politics aside, it's beginning all over again. Prajwal, has there been a clarification from Moily? When did he make this comment?
This comment was made, in fact, today in this afternoon as well in Chikballapur, Niranjan, and we are getting to understand that he's not given any sort of comment over here as well, and he's also gone ahead and added that during the Godhra, Rajadharma was not followed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was the Chief Minister of Gujarat at that point of time, and later we are also going ahead and looking that he's again not followed the Rajadharma, and therefore he's defiled the entire place, and these rituals do not have any meaning, or they do not have any being at all, is what he's gone ahead and stated. So far there has been no sort of clarification which has been issued by the Congress party in itself, even as they are going ahead and peddling a narrative of two Rams for Bharat as well. One Ram which was propagated by Mahatma Gandhi, and other they are calling it a BJP Ram which is in Ayodhya. So all said and done now, the boycott brigade is back again with their confused views as well. So we'll need to go ahead and look in whether Veerappa Moily will be apologizing. But just a few months, even before the assembly elections, to jog the memory of our viewers, it was the same Veerappa Moily who had in fact stood in support of the Bajrang Dal when the Congress had mentioned in its manifesto that it will be banned completely as well. So why are these half views coming in? If sources are to be believed now, Niranjan, it is also being stated that Veerappa Moily is also one of the contender to go ahead and he's also a ticket aspirant from the Chikballapur Lok Sabha constituency, and therefore such loose statements are being made by him. But all said and done, this is definitely going ahead and will boycott on the India Alliance as well for this sort of statements and for insulting Lord Ram as well as now Prime Minister Modi in this latest controversial statement made by Veerappa Moily.
I'd like to play out that soundbite once again. Here's what Veerappa Moily said. In fact, before I do that, let me go across to Nalin Kohli. Nalin Kohli, Veerappa Moily is a very senior leader in the Congress party. He's been a union minister, several-time parliamentarian. And when someone like him says it's difficult to believe that the Prime Minister fasted, and he also says the sanctum sanctorum, and his exact words are, let me read out his exact words. He says it becomes impure. He says the sanctum sanctorum becomes impure if someone who's fasting gets inside, and he says power won't get generated from inside the sanctum sanctorum. Trying to understand what he was trying to really convey with that statement.
Well, all I can say is that in the desperation of the Congress party to somehow run down or create a controversy or create a fear on the historic occasion of the consecration of Lord Ram's temple in Ayodhya, where the Honorable Prime Minister was there, they are going to any limit And even if one would look at it, what may apparently appear to be absurdity, Mr. Veerappa Moily is not exactly considered to be a person who may be knowledgeable in the texts or the sacred texts or the customs. He is the former law minister. He's a senior political person from the Congress party. For him to come out with this kind of statement reflects not just poorly on him personally, but also reflects very poorly on the levels of desperation that the Congress party is going to.
And many who are now saying, leaders on record, of course, they've questioned the Prime Minister's presence at the Pran Pratishtha, but some even going to the extent of saying that, in fact, there's a minister in Karnataka, Congress leader Priyank Kharge, son of Mallikarjun Kharge, who says, I'm not a Ram Bhakt, I will not go to Ram Mandir. But within the Congress party itself, there are many leaders who say, yes, I will go to the Ram Mandir, but I will go at a time and place of my choosing and with the company that I choose. So when you look at these comments, what is the sense you get?
That is the dilemma or the confusion within the Congress party for its top leader having taken a decision to avoid the occasion and its leaders in the states recognizing that this should not have been the case and they should have been there. Now, Mr. Priyank Kharge is the son of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the national president of the Congress party, appointed by the Nehru Gandhi family. So one would expect him to take the line that would be for family reasons or political reasons put out by the top leadership of the Congress party, even if it is not in sync with what the common congressmen or Indians across the country are feeling. Additionally, this is again a confirmation that first having ignored their or rather gone to the extent on an affidavit to say that Lord Ram is a fictional character in that sense or an imaginary, not a real person. The Congress party's top leadership and leaders who support the top leadership of the Congress party are continuing with that line, hurting the sentiments of crores of people in India and abroad.
Thank you, Nalin Kohli, for speaking to Republic TV. The BJP responding to what Veerappa Moily said. Veerappa Moily saying it's hard to believe that the Prime Minister actually fasted. So now they're mocking the Prime Minister and the fast that he kept before the Pran Pratishtha. I'd like to play out what Veerappa Moily said once again. Listen into this.
ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪವಾಡ? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟು. ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಪವಿತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪವಾಡ? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟು. ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅವರು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಪವಿತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ.